Hello friends, welcome to the channel Way to Treasure. Today's topic is how to earn extra 3 crore rupees by planning your term insurance. As the importance of the term insurance is increasing year on year, there are few things to be considered in choosing the term insurance for your life cover. So one of them is how to choose your premium amount or premium payment term. So you know, right, what a premium payment term is. I'll explain in the later part of this video. So this is one of the major questions that were asked by many of my friends. So and I was spending so much time to explain this to everyone. So thought of making a video to share. If someone comes up again with this question, so maybe I can straight away share this video, right? So this video is for the viewers and friends who understand compounding and how it works. So if you are not a believer in compounding, please try to understand it first and then you can come back to this video. I hope everyone knows what is term insurance. So if you die, I mean, if any covered person die, then their dependent will get a coverage amount. And if you die before the coverage age, only then your dependent will get that amount. So let's see the basic parameters of the term insurance. The basic parameters are age. So let's think like it's 22. The coverage amount, maybe I feel 1 crore should be minimum for any person. And the coverage age is 85. I mean, you can keep it 60, 70, or 75 or 80 or 85, but most of the companies are covering only till 85. There are few companies like who are covering till you're 100, but 85 is something that I feel it has a better coverage age. And premium payment term and amount are relevant. I mean, indirectly proportional. So if the premium payment term increases, the premium amount that to be paid per year will decrease. So if you are paying somewhere in 5 years, if you want to pay the payment premium term in 5 years, then the premium amount will be around 50K per month per year. And if you want to pay in 40 years, then it will be somewhere around 15K per year. So now you understand the relation between the premium payment term and premium amount, right? So the premium payment term can be 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, or you can pay till 84 years. So that means like you're 22, right? You can pay till next 62 years. The major drawback that is considered for term insurance is if you die before 85, only then you will get this coverage amount to your dependent. By chance, like if you live for 85 years, then you will get nothing, literally nothing, 0 rupees. So this is considered as a major drawback to the typical Indian mindset. But we have a solution that is coming up in the next part of the video to overcome this. As I said in the previous part, the premium payment term increases, the premium amount decreases. So from internet, I have collected details about the premiums from two companies. I don't want to disclose the company names, but I'm sure that you can Google them and you can find. So I collected 10-year premium payment term and the premium amount that is to be charged by company one and company two. Same as like if I want to pay till 62 years, so what will be the amount? So for 10 years, company one is charging 30,754 and company two is charging 54,000. So by the calculation itself, all the other parameters are same. By the calculation itself, like we can see the company one is at a better one, which is providing at a lower price. So everyone will choose company one, right? Like who wants to pay so much money with the for the same parameters. So I choose company one, but if I pay in next 10 years, the amount that I pay for the same term insurance is 3 lakh 7,000. Whereas if I pay for 62 years, it will be somewhere around 7 lakh 73,000. So straight away, if you see the amount that is paid to the company for the same term insurance, there is almost 55% of difference. Like if, whereas I mean, by paying for the next 10 years, it is coming somewhere around 55% discount of what we are paying at 62. So obviously, what we choose, we obviously choose the option one. So if you are ready to pay option one, I have an idea. So for a minute, let's think with an investor mindset. Let's see what happens if you pay premium as per option 2, that is 12,480, and put the remaining amount into any mutual fund, say maybe a blue chip fund, or maybe into PF account, maybe into uh, high risk mutual fund. I mean, there are plenty of options, right? So let's see what happens if you do the same thing for the next 10 years. So I have created this Excel. So just to demonstrate you on what happens if you implement the idea over here. So what you choose option one. So that means that you are ready to pay 30,750 for every year. But what I am saying, pay 30,754 as you are ready to pay 30,754. Pay only 12,480 as the premium and remaining balance into any mutual fund. And here, as an example, just as a sample, I have entered 10% interest rate. So what happens? So you have 30,754. You are among from that you are paying 12,480 as a premium, and the balance is 18,274. Basically, 30,754 minus 12,480 is 18,274. As you are able to generate 10% interest at the end of the year, the interest component itself became 1827. So what is the total amount at the end of the year? 20,000. So next year you'll get the same amount. You are ready to pay the same amount, right? So the amount is same. Again here you are paying that 12,480. You already have 21,000. Okay. So here we have to write a formula, right? What you already have 20,000, and from that you are adding 30,000 and you are paying 12,480. So how much it will become? It will become 38,375. Again, you'll generate some interest here, so that will be somewhere around 3,000, 3,800, and the total amount will become 42,000. So till how many years will you do this? You'll do this till next 10 years, right? So let's copy the formula here. So by the end of the 10 years, so what is the amount that you have? You have somewhere around 3,20,000 rupees. From here, are you adding any amount to the premium? No, right? Like from here, like you are not adding any amount, but still you have to pay 12,480. For how many years? For next 62 years. So let's copy that till 84. Oh, sorry for this. And the formula here will change. Here we have added the amount that is coming from the actual payment. So but here, like, we are not getting that amount, so the formula looks like this. The formula looks like this. The amount that is left over, that is 3 lakhs to 20,000 minus 12,480, and again at the end of the year you'll generate some interest on this as well, right? and the remaining amount will be the sum of the leftover plus interest. So for the rest of, for the rest of till you reach 84, the formula will be the same. So what basically we are doing, to just brush up what we are doing, we are paying some part as a premium and the other part into any mutual fund which is generating somewhere around 10% interest for the next 10 years. Because like if you are paying in option one, if you are you will be paying only next 10 years, right? After 10 years, like you should not pay any amount from your pocket, you can pay from whatever the interest that you are generating, or the mutual funds that you are buying. So if you do the same process at the end of 84 years, how much you are earning, how much your piggy bank or your mutual fund will have, it will have somewhere around 2.87 crores. That is for if you are generating the interest of 10%. So you can say like 10% is not possible for me. So what to do? So let's make it 8. Let's see, because like even the PF account is giving a percentage of 8.5%, right? So let's make it 8.5. If it is 8.5, you are making a corpus of 1.03 crores. Okay. So what was the drawback that we were discussing before? If you won't die till 85, what happens? Like you are losing all the money, right? But in this case, even though you are not dying till the end, you are generating somewhere around 1 crore additionally. If you make it 10%, you will make around 2.87 crores. I hope like 10% is not easy for any person. I mean, I mean to say that it is very much easy, very much easily achievable. Even if you keep in some blue chip fund, like you will definitely get 10% returns in the long run. You are waiting till next 62 years, right? That's a very big long term. Okay. And you are financially good and you are able to generate somewhere around on an average of 12% interest. So that's 12% is interest is 1% per month. That is generally that's what our parents do, right? So if you can able to generate 12% interest, you are earning somewhere around 9.86 crores. Let's just increase it by just 1%. That makes you 17 crores. So are you doing anything new here? You're doing nothing new here, but still you are able to generate this type of money at the end of your life. So let's make it 10% itself. Now I hope like you have understood everything. If you don't understand, just go back, just see it slide to slide, second to second, just try to understand this process, and you can generate this much of amount by the end of your 85 years. And one more thing, see, if you can feel like if something happens in between, like in any case, like you'll be happening, there are chance of have, the point of taking term insurance is itself, like if something happens to me, then my family should not affect. If something happens, like you'll get that 1 crore. And maybe for example, like if something happened to you at 60 years. Okay, at 60 you will get 1 crore plus additionally 30 lakhs. If something happened to you at 70, you are getting 1 crore plus 76 lakhs. So 1 crore is their premium, the coverage amount that anyway like they have to pay, but this is the additional amount that you are getting. So year on year, like 10 lakhs is increasing year on year. Okay. If nothing happens to you at 85, maybe like the 2.87 crores will become 3 crores. Okay. I hope like everyone understood this. I hope everyone understood this. So like if you like this video, please hit like button. And if you have any questions, just do comment us. We'll definitely answer those questions. Please subscribe to our channel so that like we'll get motivation to prepare more such videos like this. And I hope like this helped you a lot.